Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is for the class 12th and subject is zoology. Our topic is today class 12th subject zoology. Our topic is today cancer. It is in our syllabus. We will define what is cancer, what are the different types of cancer. First, we will define what is cancer. Cancer is an abnormal and uncontrolled division of cells. Cancer is an abnormal and uncontrolled division of cells. Division of cells known as cancer cells. Known as cancer cells that invade and destroy the surrounding tissues. That invade and destroy the surrounding tissues. So, which means here that generally cancer is defined as cancer is defined as uncontrolled proliferation of cells, uncontrolled proliferation of cells without any differentiation, So, cancer cells are different from the normal cells in some aspects. And here, we will see here some of the cancer cells get detached from their main sites of origin and travel by blood and lymph to the sites of distant from the original tumor. And now, question is here: how cancer cells different from normal cells, and what are different types of cancers? Property. What is the we will see here. These are how cancer cells differ from normal cells. We see that these cancer cells proliferate in an unregulated manner and form colonies of cells which can separate, expand regularly. The uncontrolled growth is called tumor or neoplasm. Today we will write here what are different types of tumors. What are different types of tumors here? Are types of cancers. Types of cancers. Cancers are classified on the basis of tissue. Cancers are classified on the basis of tissue from where they arose, from where they arose. Side the cancer are classified on the basis of tissue from where they arose. Cancers are of three main types. Cancers are of three main types. Number one is the carcinomas. Number one is the carcinomas. C-R-C-I-N-O-M-S mass. Carcinomas. This type is mainly derived from epithelial cells. This type is mainly derived from epithelial cells. These include cervical. They include cervical. These include they include cervical. C-R-V-I-C-L. Cervical. Cervical means cervix is a part of the uterus. Cervix is a part of uterus. Also, we wrote here this they include both. We will know that carcinomas. This type is mainly derived from the epithelial cells. They include cervical cancer. Cervical cancer. You know that cervical cancer. Cervix is a part of uterus. Yes, either uterus cancer. And number second is the breast cancer. Breast cancer. And also skin cancer, brain cancer. Skin cancer, brain cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer, stomach cancer, etc. About 80% of all tumors are carcinomas. We write here about 80% of. We write here that about 80% of all tumors are carcinomas. C-R-C-I-N-O-M-A carcinomas. Well, this is one type of cancer. And also cancerous growth of melanocytes is called melanomas. We write here that also number second, cancerous growth of melanocytes, melanocytes, There is a cancer growth of melanocytes. You know that a melanocyte is a type of skin, a type of skin cell, a type of skin cell. This type of cancer is called the melanomas. Is called melanomas. Also, we write cancer of glands is called the adenocarcinoma. Also, cancer of uh, glands is called adenocarcinoma. Is called adenocarcinoma. Carcinoma. So after that, the second one is sarcomas. These are the these are the types of the cancer. Now second is the carcinomas. Second is the sarcomas. SARCO sarcomas. This is the second type of cancer. You know that these cancers are derived from mesoderm. These cancers are derived from mesoderm. They include the cancers of bone. They include the cancers of bone, cartilages, tendinous, adipose tissue and lymphoid tissue. Adipose tissue and lymphoid tissue. Though first was the carcinomas and second is the sarcomas. And you know that cancer of bone is called osteoma. Here we write in sarcomas, you would tell the cancer of bones is called osteoma. Ostoma. Ostoma. Osteoma. And also the cancer of adipose tissue are known as lipomas. Also the cancer of adipose tissue is known as lipomas. Lipomas. And also the cancer of lymphoid tissue is called the lymphoma. Also the cancer of lymphoid tissue is called lymphoma. Lymphoma. And you know that Hodgkin's disease is an example of lymphoma. There is the enlargement of production of lymphocytes by lymph nodes and spleen. Then the third type of cancer is the leukemias. leukemias. There is a third type of cancer. This is called leukemias. L-U-K-E L-U-K L-E-U-K-E leukemias. Leukemias. This is called the third type of leukemias. You know that leukemias are characterized by abnormal increase of white blood cells. Leukemias, it is the abnormal increase of white blood cells, and white blood corpuscles convert due to their increased formation in the bone marrow. Convert. So right here, leukemias. Leukemias, it is the abnormal increase of white blood cells count. Size WBC is convert due to their increased INCRE increased formation in the bone marrow. Formation in the bone marrow. Leukemias are also called blood cancers. Leukemias are all called Leukemia. Leukemias is also called blood cancers. Blood cancer. So here we write also cancer of muscle tissue is known as myoma. If there is a cancer of muscle tissue, this is called the myoma. We write here cancer of maybe actually muscle tissue is called, we write here cancer of muscle tissue is called myoma. M-Y-O-M-A, myoma, M-Y-O-M-A, myoma. Also the cancer of glial cells are of central nervous system is called glioma. And also we should know that World Cancer Day is on February 4th. This cancer, it is also called the tumor. We know that these cells proliferate in an unregulated manner and form colonies of cells which can expand irregularly. These uncontrolled cells called tumor or neoplasm. We should note here that, dear students, this cancer is also called the tumor, and there are types of tumors are benign tumor and malignant tumor. This uncontrolled growth of cells is also called the tumor. T-U-M-O-U-R, tumor. T-U-M-O-U-R, tumor. And there are two types of tumors. There are two types of tumors. T-U-M-O-U-R-S, tumors. One is called the benign, B-E-N-I-G-N, B-N-I-G-N, benign tumor. T-U-M-O-U-R, T-U-M-O-U-R. One is called the benign tumor. This is non-malignant tumor. We write here, this is non-malignant, MALIGN, malignant tumor, TUMOUR, tumor. So benign tumor, this is non-malignant, such that non-cancerous, such that it remains confined to the site of the origin and does not spread. The second one is the malignant tumor, cancerous tumor. Number second is the malignant, MALIGNANT, malignant tumor, TUMOUR, tumor. You know that this is called the cancerous tumor. It's called the cancerous tumor. It's called the cancerous tumor. It first grows slowly. Notice this is called the latent stage. The tumor later grows quickly. The cancer cell go beyond adjacent tissue and enter the blood and lymph. When this happens, they migrate to many other parts of the body, where the cancer cells continue to divide. A phenomenon in which the cancer cells separate to distant tissue through the body fluids to develop secondary tumor is called metastasis. Thank you.